Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day. I'm back, guys. If this is your first time here on my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? All right, I'm back with Supreme Profit System. This is a high-ticket postcard program. I am one of many affiliate marketers for Supreme Profit System. So for those of you that's interested in making $1,000 per sale with a postcard program, here you have it, Supreme Profit System. It's 2 tiers, okay? So you're going to get paid on sales that you make directly from your postcard or your website. And if someone joins you, okay, and they make a sale, they make $1,000, you also make $1,000. So that's 2 tiers, okay, very powerful, okay? So it's called working smarter. So you get a website with this as well, okay? So I'm on the website right now, which you will also get. It will have your name and number on this website at the bottom, okay? And I'm gonna let you thumb through this at your leisure. Make sure you call this number and check it out, okay, so you can listen to the 24/7 info line. But this website will do all the selling and telling for you guys. I'm going to show you what the postcard looks like as well. But kind of thumb through this. What I like about this, and WTM always has, you know, some kind of great deal going on with the high ticket. So what they're doing with this one is on every 5th sale, guys, hear me clearly. After every 5th sale, WTM is going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. Okay? So that's a bonus that they're giving you. This is over and over, not just one time. Every time you make your 5th sale, this is what they're going to do for you. Now, I'm going to show you what's included with this. Okay? So right here it talks about the 2 levels. Okay? You may hear the term big ticket or high ticket. That's the $1,000 commissions. And some programs also consider 500 big ticket as well. Okay, so you may hear those terms, and that's what they're talking about. So we go down. Let's get to that. I want to show you what's included. So here's what I just talked about, the 500 power pack. Okay. By the way, when you join me in this program, I'm going to send you 1,000 leads to get you started. Let's go down here and see what's included in this. Okay, I'm going to take you right to it. Right here, guys, you're going to receive a mail order CD-ROM, mail order black belt success manual, 101 ways to improve your direct mail response, a quality mailing list, access to a print and mail service. You get a personalized marketing postcard and flyer. I prefer to do the postcard for the program. It's optional, that flyer. Okay, you're going to get 1,000 full color postcards. The company is going to send you 1,000 full color postcards, okay, with your link on it. Okay, so this is the website. So let's go down here, because I've been getting people to ask, well, how do I sign up? So once you go to the site, that's Eric. He's the owner of this program and many others. WTM Pub is the name of the company, publications. So let's go all the way down. Right here, okay, you'll see your name will be there. So for an example, if you join me, you'll be in box 1, I'll be in box 2. Okay, but if you just keep going down, right here it says, click here for a printable Supreme Profit System order form. That's what you want to click. Print that out, fill it out, and mail it in with your payments. Okay? That's what you want to do. Now, how much is it to get started? Okay, so you would send a $1,000 money order in my name, dealer 1. This gives you the resale rights. That's what they're selling you. It's a resale license. It's what allows you to be able to resell the program. So, dealer 1, which would be myself, you would send a money order for $1,000 in my name. You would send $1,000 in my sponsor, and you would send 350 in the company's name. Mail all 3 of those, put them in an envelope, mail them back to the company with your printed order form. Okay, I highly recommend sending this priority mail so that you can track it to make sure it gets there properly. Okay, because mail gets lost all the time. That's what happens. Okay, so that's what it's going to cost to get started. But again, you're going to make $1,000 per sale if someone joins you in this program. Okay, so I'm going to send you 1,000 leads once I receive my payment, because what happens is the owner, he's going to forward that money order for me to me separately. Okay, you're going to mail them all there, and he's going to mail me my commissions. And once I get it, or I confirm with him he's received your payment, pretty much that's what I do. Once I confirm he's received it, and have you logged in as a dealer, then I will go ahead and start emailing you information from me, and then I'll go ahead and get your leads out to you. So you're going to have 1,000 leads from me. The company's going to send you 1,000 full color postcards. Now, what you're going to get first, let me explain to you what's going to happen first. First, you're going to get your kit from the company. You're not going to get your cards and your kit at the same time, because it's going to take a week and a half to get your cards printed with your link on it. Okay, so you're going to first get this CD and the welcome kit. That's going to come first, and then your cards will follow, after that. Okay, so let me show you what this card looks like. I'm going to actually show it to you. Okay, this is the Supreme Profit System card. That's one side, and then this is the other side. This is the side that everyone will see when they pull it out of the mailbox. Okay, so it's in full color. I get a real good deal with the companies that I use to get this. This is a 4x6 standard postcard, and all you need is the postcard stamps. Okay, they'll come on a roll like this, but it's postcard stamps. You're only going to spend $35 for one roll. Okay, so it's very affordable to be able to mail for this program, and that's what you're going to do. Mail to the targeted leads. I'm going to also give you some resources to get your leads to mail to. Okay, so with that being said, guys, I did receive a payment, okay, for Supreme Profit System. Another payment has come in. So if you're interested in the $1,000 per transaction postcard program, check it out, Supreme Profit System. So I want to show you proof payment of that. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'll be happy to answer those questions, but please go check the website out, read it all the way through. It pretty much, explains the program, but it's not a complicated comp plan. You make $1,000 if somebody signs up. That's it. If your team signs someone up, you make $1,000 because it's 2 tiers. Okay, so let's check this proof payment out. Okay, so what we're going to do is go ahead and show you this payment for Supreme Profit System. Before I do, let me show you a closer. Maybe you didn't see it. That's the postcard. Okay, and this is the other side where it explains how you can make $1,000 per sale. Okay, so nice postcard. See the gloss on it? Okay, it's very nice. Okay, so here's the payment. I already knew what it was. All right, here we have it, and you have a sheet that's going to tell you it's for Supreme Profit System. Now I'm going to cover up this person's information with this stamps. Okay, but I'm going to show you without showing you their address and phone number here as best I can. This young lady is determined, and she was interested in high ticket, because that's what this is, high ticket direct mail. there you have it. Supreme Profit System. Welcome aboard Rashmi in Supreme Profit System. Okay, so there you have it, guys. So I look forward to working with you guys if you're interested in high ticket direct mail with Supreme Profit System. Again, I'm going to send you 1,000 leads if you join me in the program. And if you have any questions, give me a call. We'll put a link below so you can check this out. I look forward to working with you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay? Be safe out there, and I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.